Eastern European food, sausages, salami, fish and spices. Yeah, so we are on the way to the park. Never been to this area before. It's like a shortcut between shortcuts. It's the first time I've been in this area, so even I don't know where it leads to. Okay, it leads to the city center. That's the city center. And
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
this is the Inara fast food restaurant. I love this restaurant. They make really good food, tasty. And that's Marhaba. The park that we're going, the road that runs parallel to the park, that leads to Newry. So here's the sign symbol for that. If you go straight on the R132 highway, that's N1, you would reach the Newry town and Castleblanny. So those are the two places that you can go straight down this road. But we're not going there, we're going to the park. So let's go faster.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm never back to you.
So on the road that we are traveling right now, like rather walking, this side is Newry, rather Northern Ireland. This way is Northern Ireland. So we have been there before on cycles actually. Should have made a vlog, but next time we will definitely. So we're not going that way, but this is the park which we'll be entering right now. So let's just go inside and see what's there.
Or two coffees, yeah?
Two coffees.
Cappuccino, latte?
Mocha.
Mocha, both, yeah?
Yeah. and one cake.
€6.20.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
So finally you can open the mask. Feels so breathless. We're having this coffee and a normal cake. So till we have this coffee, you guys enjoy this time lapse. So here is the other park that I was talking about. Here you can have your evening walks or morning walks, exercise and everything. This is called a Riverside Walk Outdoor Fitness Center, as this banner says. So basically, this is how the park looks. And probably there's no one today because it's like a weekday, it's a Monday. So people are there in their offices. It's not yet time for people to be here. Around 5:30 is the time when there are a lot of people in this park. You can observe them running, doing their daily exercise and everything. And I can't keep my hair in place because of this bloody wind. It's way too windy. It has been windy for a couple of days, last couple of days. And here's this bridge and this park with a river flowing by. So overall, nice place to hang out in the evenings or in the afternoons or in the morning. I don't think in between in like 12:30 afternoons you will enjoy this place. This place is most enjoyed in around the evening time. So yeah, roaming around in this park, and after this we'll continue to the shopping center where we have to do a bit of shopping, not really much, a bit of shopping, and then we head home. So enjoy the park for now. That apartment in the distance, it's really beautiful, and it costs like a bomb to rent an apartment in that complex. The best thing about Ireland is that you would find greenery everywhere, every goddamn where. So basically you don't really need to go find peace and tranquility, it finds you. So starting from our residence where the place we stay at, from there on, entire Ireland I've never seen one place without trees or forests or grasslands or a cool temperate climate. I mean, the climate is the same all over the country, and that's the best part about this place. It's always cool or cold, never hot or humid. That's occasional, you know. It's very rare that the climate would be hot. That was back in July and August. There were a couple of days when it was really hot here, and I could feel that. And after staying here for like 1 year, things have changed. So I feel comfortable from around like 6 to 12 degrees is my comfort zone for temperatures. If you speak of more than that, like 15, 16, I start to feel the heat. Not just me, even my friends. So let's just walk forward and see how this park looks like. Yeah.
Chances I don't care, I'm fine, I'm feeling brighter. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye.
back to the house. One of the most productive days in a long time. Why am I wearing the mask? This mask, it just pains the ears when it's attached to your face. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked watching this place where I stay. And please do share this video with your friends and family and everyone, and drop in your comments in the comment box below this video. And I would appreciate that, because that would motivate me to make more videos. Like this video, and I hope you share it as much as possible. And also view my other videos, and subscribe to my channel. Make your friends subscribe to my channel. Tell your family to subscribe to my channel, and anyone who you meet, please share my videos and tell them to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this once again, and yeah, thank you. I hope you will wait till my next video and would enjoy my next video as well. So take care. Bye bye. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something I got it. Hey, hey. Oh baby, I don't need money. Hey, hey. Cause the love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care if I am fancy brighter.